In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages on Notion. If you want to make your workspace easier to navigate, linking pages is one of the simplest and most useful things you can do. It helps you connect related notes, projects, or documents so everything feels more organized and easier to find later. The good news is that Notion makes this process very quick. To get started, go to your Notion page. This should be the page where you want the link to appear. In other words, open the page from which you want to create a connection to another page in your workspace. Before moving on, make sure your cursor is placed in the area where you want the linked page to show up. Once you're on the page, click into the page content area and type a /. In Notion, the / opens the command menu. This is a very handy shortcut because it lets you quickly insert different types of content without having to search through menus manually. As soon as you type the /, you should see a list of available options appear. Right after that, type the word page. This will narrow down the command options and help you find the specific tool you need faster. If your command menu looks crowded, this search step makes it much easier to locate the correct option without scrolling through a long list. From the results that appear, click on Link to Page. This is the option that creates a direct link to another existing Notion page. It's important to choose this specific option because it allows you to reference a page you already have rather than creating a brand new page by mistake. After selecting Link to Page, Notion will show you a list of pages or let you search for one. At this point, click on the page you want to link. As soon as you select it, the linked page will be inserted into your current page. And that's it. Your page is now linked. Anyone viewing this page can click that link and jump straight to the connected page, which is especially helpful when you're building project hubs, dashboards, or related documentation. A quick tip while you're doing this, try placing linked pages in sections where they make the most sense, so your workspace stays clean and intuitive. Keeping related pages connected can save time and make your Notion setup much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to link pages on Notion.